Good morning. All right, let's see. I got some issues with some sites not going live. Here we go. Okay, remove that one. All right, good morning. Good morning. There we go. All right, cool. Thanks for jumping on. If you're just jumping on, I'm going to give everybody a few minutes because Facebook is now alerting people that I am going live. I'm actually getting texts from people like, "Are you actually live?" It's 9:05. Yeah. Okay, cool. Brian Olson just found it. Hey, Brian, I'm sure. All right, awesome. Well, good morning. I really, really, really want to show you this new website builder. We actually built our website using this tool just last week. It's a brand new vibe coding tool. If you guys aren't familiar with vibe coding, I mean, you can do a lot, and there's a lot of pros and cons to vibe coding, especially if you're not really sure what you're doing. But I think for the most part, from a website standpoint, or a landing page or marketing page standpoint, vibe coding is the average everyday business owner's best friend. Right now, if you want to do things like develop software or include like payment processing type things, you're going to need a system. And I wouldn't try to build a platform if you don't know what you're doing or know the security risks. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you the website that we actually have live now. And then I'm going to actually build real quick in 15 minutes. I'm going to build a, excuse me, a fictitious massage therapy website because I have a friend of mine who is a licensed massage therapist who wants to have a website built. So I'm going to build a fictitious one just to show what can be done. So the first thing I'm going to do, let me go back to the site and share my screen. Now I'm going to show you this site. Come on up on the screen. This is our new website. This is jtheaiguy.com, right? This is what we do. We help show business owners how to implement AI into their daily lives as business owners, right? Not in their personal life, not to be cute and do a couple chats with ChatGPT, because that's cute. And then you go back to your life and you're like, well, AI isn't making my life any easier. Well, this is an entire website full of really nice, beautiful pages, right? Sub drop-down menus talking about our workshops, our webinars, right? Full content written, our weekly webinar series. You get the point. There's a lot of stuff in here that we've done, and all of it is connected with my CRM, which is actually built in the same place that hosts my CRM. So everything's under one login, under one roof, right? Beautiful page, on brand, something I've been trying to get done for like 10 years because a website is just never done. And that's why vibe coding makes it so exciting, because a website is never done, right? We want to give you a platform where you can build your website. And then let's say you want to do a workshop next week. You just tell the site, here's the workshop I'm doing next week. Here's the details of that workshop. Add it to my website, put it on this page, and it will do it, right? In just the same amount of time that you could email a web designer who's charging you hundreds, if not thousands a month or a year, you can just have an AI employee for less than $100 a month, build your website and manage it and keep it up to date and host it. All right. So let me show you inside our new vibe coding tool right about now. All right. So this is inside my account. Our software is called JourneyBuilder. Get JourneyBuilder.com. You can obviously get there from jtheaiguy.com now. And if you're interested in this tool, I will give you a 30-day free trial to play with it, give you a tour, show you around. And then after that, if you still want it, the website hosting would be included. It's $97 a month. But like I said, I'll give you 30 days to play with it. We'll show you how to do it. You'll have a website set up in a few hours. And then, for for less than $100 a month. Not only will you have the website from the website builder, you'll have a full CRM, website booking calendar, email and text ability. You'll have marketing, social media management tools at your disposal, all built in, all baked into the platform, right? So what I did is I went over to Claude just to get us started for purposes of time. Now, you don't really need all of this, but what I did is I actually went into Claude, which is a great chat tool. You could do it in ChatGPT, but all I said is, I want to build a complete massage therapist website in JourneyBuilder, GHL, using the new Vibe Coder. Create me a prompt to get started. So I just got this very basic, just to get started, tells the pages it's going to create, but it said it would be nice to know the business name and located where. So I went and I said, we're going to make the name Harmony Smith Massage in Greensboro, North Carolina. All right. So here's the prompt that I'm going to copy and paste into the Vibe Code Builder. So when I go back over to the Vibe Builder, here is what we are going. We're just going to paste this right in. Okay. That's it. We're going to paste this right up. So far, I'm about 30 seconds into this website build. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and let it go. Okay. Now you're going to see down here that it's building the website. All right. So here it goes. So now it's actually doing this. It's going to build a complete conversion-focused website for a licensed massage therapy business called Harmony Smith Massage, located in Greensboro, North Carolina. The site should feel calm, clean, spa-like, blah, blah, blah. It's using my colors, just my brand colors, but it's telling us what it's doing right now. Right now, while I'm talking to you, or while I could go check email, go get another cup of coffee, hop on a phone call, talk to my team, watch the news, whatever it is, right? This AI system is building the very first version of a new website. And it tells us what it's doing. It's already set up the design system and the search engine, basic search engine optimization. I don't want to say that your site, you don't need SEO once you have a site. You do. But it's going to get it set up the right way. The architecture is going to be set up for search engines to find you. Okay. Now it's building out easy for me to say, the layout and the global components. Okay. And then it's going to work on the pages that it's going to build, which are going to be a home and about, services, testimonials, booking, contact, and blog page. Okay. So while it's doing that, again, I'll take a minute to tell you that every Friday morning at 10:30 Eastern, I do a free webinar on how to implement AI into your business. Costs absolutely nothing. I do it every Friday. I've been doing it since January 9th of this year. So this will be week 13, I believe. This week, we're going to be talking about building out a company knowledge base, a company brain, using AI to document everything in your business so that you have it all in one place, so that training becomes easy, delegation becomes easy, scaling becomes easier, because you're getting everything that's locked up here out. So we could be working on that. I could actually be working on a new workshop while this is building the website. Right. So right now it's finished building the layout and the global components for the site, as you can see here, and it's starting to work on the pages. So now it's going to build the home and the about pages. And you can see right now we are, I'm about 9 minutes into the video. Okay. And really only maybe 5 minutes into this build, possibly. So while it's up, it built the home and about pages now. Okay. So now we're on to services and testimonials. Look how fast this is going. I'm just sitting here talking to you and I'm having a website built. What could this do for your business? Like how important or how incredible could AI be to your business while you're having things done for you? You're doing other things. Now, if you are a solopreneur, like me. By the way, now the services and testimonials pages are built. It's on the last 3 pages, and then it's going to navigate and finalize the routing, and it should be all done with the very first iteration. And I'll show you how to update it, and we'll be on our way, right? By the way, if you own a massage, if you are a massage therapist anywhere in the country, and when you see this website, you were like, wow, that's awesome. Can you give it to me? Yes, I will give it to you. And then all we need to do is give you that 30-day trial of JourneyBuilder. All right. And then after that's $97 a month, you can take this exact website. I'll load it into your account, and then we just tell it what you need, what the name is, what the colors are. It will update the whole thing, update your town. We'll connect your booking calendar so people can book massages with you right on your website. We'll show you how to connect a payment gateway to it so that people can actually pay for their services with you upfront, right? So I'll give you the entire system. We can give you the entire system for less than $100 a month with a 30-day free trial to play with this. All right. So I've just been talking. We're 11 minutes in. We're about 7 minutes into this build. We're building, the AI is building our last 3 pages right now, our booking page, our contact, and our blog page. And then once that's done, which should just be in another minute or 2, it's going to just finalize all the routing between pages, and we will see the first iteration of the site. Now, is the site going to be perfect? No. I'm giving it just the minimum. I gave it the bare minimum. All we said was we have this fictitious massage therapy business, Harmony Smith Massage, located in Greensboro, right? We want it to feel clean and calm and spa-like. We gave it some colors, which happens to be my brand colors. And then we told it which pages to create and kind of what to go on them. By the way, I didn't have to come up with this. I asked Claude. You could ask ChatGPT, right? And then just tell it what pages we want, what they should look like, global elements, right? It's finalizing the routing right now. We should have this done here in just a couple minutes. I promised 15 minutes we'd get version 1 of a new website done that fast. And we're almost there, right? So what's going to happen is we've just given it some basics, right? Basic colors, basic feel, basic layout. That's all we've done, right? We have not even contracted a web designer, right? It's all we've told it is some basic stuff. So now, once it gives us our first website, then we just go through it page by page and say, ooh, I like this, or can we change the copy to say this, right? We can show you some ways that you can actually do all the thought and planning prior to, and then give this builder all that extra planning. My planning took about 30 seconds. I just told Claude, I need to build a website for a massage therapist, right, in Greensboro, North Carolina. That's pretty much it. So it's just wiring up all the pages together. 13 minutes in. And I said we'd do it in about 15. We're 13 minutes into the video. I didn't start until we were at about minute 4. So we're about 9 minutes in. And this thing should be done any second. It's finalizing the routing. And what that is, it's like wiring up all the pages to one another, right? All the navigation and everything else. But it's done everything on the back end. Oh, and the other cool thing about this builder is once it's done building the site, the chat, all we do is we're just chatting with an AI inside of my platform. When you chat with the AI, it's going to give you suggested things to build next. So it's going to say, hey, do you want to build this next? Do you want to build social sharing features? Do you want to build a light or dark toggle for some people who like the darker website versus a lighter website? Would you like... Oh, here it is. Here it is. So it's asking me a question. Let me go to desktop version. Okay. So it's asking me that there's calendars in the sub account, which is my calendars because I'm building it in my account. You'd be able to connect your own booking calendar or use ours. Right. So I'm going to I'm going to dismiss this. All right. So it's built. So here it is in about 11 minutes. We've got a brand new site. Now, here you go. These navigation up here, these words, the main links are dark. You can't really see them on this, right? So all I would do, hey, change. If you can speak English, or heck, it'll work in every language. So I believe if you can formulate a sentence, change the menu item links to white, keep the teal hover color when you hover over the mouse with the mouse. Right? So I'm going to say, hey, I need to make this change. Okay. And it's going to go ahead and do this in real time. And this is what I was telling you about before. Add an FAQ section to the services page. Well, yeah, every page on your site should have an FAQ section. By the way, I'm going to repeat that for the people in the back. Every page on your website should have an FAQ section dealing with questions that might come up from that page. It's great for search. It's great for AI optimization. Okay. But here I could click that. I don't even have to type it, and it will add an FAQ section to that page. Add a team page. Let's see. Add a team page if Harmony hires more therapists. Okay. So you could click that and you'll have a team page on your website. Add an Instagram feed to the footer. Right. So it's giving me suggestions of like, here's how you can make it better. The AI knows what else we can put on the site. How cool is that? So it's making this change. You can see it's already made the change. Look up here. It made the change from dark. It should be telling me it's done in a second. But we're going to flip through. Here's our home page. Guys, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That's not Harmony, but you could say replace this Harmony with the real Harmony. Okay? North Carolina LMBT. Right? Some reviews. You can also say, go grab my reviews from Google. Right? And it will put the reviews in. Book your appointment. Take it to a booking calendar. Here's the footer. You got all your information. Change the hours from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. No problem. It'll do it. Right? So let's go. Oh, when I move to the sticky bar. Okay, so I might have to fix that too. But let's go to About Harmony. Okay. Let's go to services and pricing. Here's our services. You can, with booking. Guys, it built this in 10 minutes. It built this website in 10 minutes. Just like this, with very little information. How amazing is that? The blog. And you can incorporate your blog. By the way, our platform has a full blogging system built right in, and it can be connected right to your website. Everything under one roof. Even use AI to generate your blog for you. And here's a nice contact us page. I might want to say update this map to show Greensboro. No problem. We could do it. It'll connect your form. We have a form builder right in JourneyBuilder. Look, if you guys want to try this or do this for yourself, shoot me a message, right? j@jvimobile.com. Shoot me a message. I will take care of it. If you happen to be a massage therapist or know a massage therapist and you're like, hey, you already built it. Can I just have the one you built and we customize it for my massage therapy website? Yes, let me know. Tell your massage therapist friends, hey, this guy just built a website in 10 minutes and he's willing to give it to you. I will give it to you. I will give you a 30-day trial as well of JourneyBuilder, and I can show you all the ways that our system can not only build these sites, but connect it to your entire contact management, your customer relationship system. Everything is all under one roof for less than $100 a month. And I'm going to give you 30 days to prove that to you and help you. So if you know a massage therapist, tell them, hey, this guy just built this website, send it to him. If you want to build a website for your business, this thing doesn't have to be in any industry, any specific niche, anything, whatever it is that you do, whatever it is you want to build, we can help you build that website. And then all you need to know how to do to keep it updated or add new pages or add new content is formulate a sentence. I was going to say speak English again, but I think if I typed it in Spanish, it would do it. But look at all this. Update logo color to white, add dark mode toggle, right? So it gives us all those things. Anyway, I'm going to stop short. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it would be, or how quick and easy it is for you to build the basic version of a new website. You could change anything on it once it's built just by typing a sentence and telling the AI what to do. And while it built that for those 10 minutes, I was talking to you. I was looking at my phone. I was, working on checking emails. So simple. And me and my team are here ready Happy to help. So excited about this feature in our platform. If you want to check it out, you can go to jaytheAIguy.com. Again, that website, completely built with AI. Come back over here. This is my website, right? This is our new website, completely built with the same system I just showed you. The same exact system. All right. And here's my actual reviews. All right. I've tied all this stuff in already. FAQs, weekly webinars every Friday. Right. So listen, hit me up, message me, put something in the comments. If you think this is awesome and you want something like this, please let me know. I'm also going to do a full hour to an hour and a half webinar where I'm going to build out some more websites in real time a week from Friday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern. I do a weekly webinar. You can find out about our weekly webinars here at jaytheAIguy.com, and you can register. This week, we're doing using AIs to build out all your business documentation, all your SOPs, standard operating procedures, using AI and a new platform that I just built, and I'm going to show it this Friday at 10:30. But next Friday, April 17th, I'm going to go through a whole deep dive on this website and how it all connects to the system and give everybody a 30-day free trial to our platform. All right. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thanks for letting me go live with you for 20 minutes or so. And share this with a friend. If you're like, hey, you've been talking about getting a new website or you're starting a business, this guy can hook you up. Let me know. All right. Talk soon.